Hi everyone, Mrs. Gershon here. We have our new list of words and I'm going to go ahead and read through. As I'm going ahead and reading through, please take a look at the words. I'm going to start in the first column here and I'm going to work my way down and then we'll talk about our sort. So our first word is board, horn, word, sore, corn, worm, sore. Ooh, I see two sores there. We'll have to talk about that. Then I have the word form, work, store, north, world, fork, door, tore. Then I have the words more, for, roar, shore, floor, war, storm, and or. As I was reading through, you probably should have heard a lot of the or sound, and we'll be talking about R influenced vowels again, and you'll be seeing the vowel O this week throughout all of our words, and how R sometimes controls that O and makes it say a certain sound. I do want to talk about two of the homophones that we see, the words soar and soar. This first soar means to fly up in the sky, like the bird will soar across the sky. And this sore means that something is hurting, like a muscle being sore. So be listening for that this week when we do our spelling test. So if I look up at my headers at the top, the very top column here, or top row, the word form, I'm going to go ahead and put a box around the OR there. We're going to see words this week that have OR in them that make the OR sound, like in the word form. Now this one's a pretty easy one to remember because or is actually a word, OR. So we're looking for words that have the OR sound with an OR. So I'm looking through this first column. We have horn. Ooh, I'm looking at word. Horn and word. That does not make the same sound. We'll come back to that. Horn, corn. Ooh, worm does not make the same sound either, and that has OR. We'll come back to that one as well. Store. Now store has an E on the end, so I'm going to wait. I have the word north, fork. I'm in the last column here. Let's see. Storm. Those all have the OR spelling, which makes the OR sound or. Now looking at the word next to form, I have the word more. Now I still hear the or sound, but it has an E on the end. So that's going to be its own sort this week, its own column when you're sorting. O-R-E making the or sound. So let's go back through. I don't see anything in our first column that has O-R-E. Let's look in our second column. I have the word store and tore, like I tore up a piece of paper. And in my last column, I have the word shore. Now, this isn't the word sure, it's the word shore, like I walked along the shore at the ocean. And then I have war. This isn't a war like people fighting against each other. This is the war like I wore my winter coat because it was cold. So our next sort is going to be O-A-R, still making the OR sound. So we have three ways to make the OR sound this week, like in the word bored. Now this isn't bored like I'm so bored I have nothing to do. This is bored like I used a piece of board to build my treehouse. So looking at my first column, I have no OAR. Looking at my second column, again no OAR. I'm looking at my third column, I have the word roar. And on the bottom, the word or. This is a noun. This is a thing you use to row a boat. You use an oar to row a boat. So you only have three words that are going to go in your OAR section. Now when we went through our list the first time, we came to the word word in our first column and we were saying, wow, that doesn't say the or sound. That's because when you add W to OR, it actually makes the UR sound, were. So I'm looking at our bold word up here, work. You hear work. And then I'm looking at my first column, word makes the same sound, worm, same sound, world, same sound. Now, the only one that's different is the one in the third column. We've already placed this one in the O-R-E, war. Now, that's because you have your E on the end. So, war is not going to go with W plus OR, it's going to stay in the ORE section this week. Now we have a couple words left over. Door, I hear or, but it's spelled O-O-R. For in the third column, and floor. I hear the O-R sound. I hear or in all of those, but it's not following the pattern. Door and floor have double O's, and 4 is the number 4, is spelled O-U-R. So those, guess what, are going to be your oddballs. And that's our sort for this week, so happy sorting. Let me know if you need help with any of the words if you're not sure their meaning. I'll be walking around. Bye-bye.